Hi everyone, welcome to Create Eat Happy. This is OCHIKERON. Today I wanted to show you how to make Tempura Moriawase, assorted tempura with seafood and vegetables. You can use any ingredient you like, but I will show you the best choices you can make at home. I hope you can try it out. This video is made in VR180 format. You can move around the screen 180 degrees, and also if you have a Google Cardboard or whatever the headset available, you can view this kitchen in 3D view. Put your headset on and let's cook together. I hope you enjoy this video. Here are the ingredients. Written recipe is always in the description box, so please check it out. Today I have a special guest, my mom.
Hello.
Let's get started. So first we are going to prepare the seafood and vegetables. You want to shell the shrimp and make incision in the stomach side to straighten. And cut the tail, a tip of the tail. So you wanted to remove the border inside the tail. With paper towel, like this. Sprinkle some sake. You can use white wine as well to remove the bad smell of shrimp. And also salt and pepper to season it. Okay, so next we have okra. So you want to remove the tip, and also you want to peel around like this. And we have Maitake mushrooms. You can break this into small pieces as big as you want. Kabocha, Japanese squash, into thin slices, like this thin. We have corn. It's canned corn. And also we have tomatoes, grape tomatoes. For the tempura batter, you need 1 cup of flour. You can use all-purpose flour, but cake flour is better because it contains less gluten. You don't want it to activate gluten to make light and crisp batter. You need 1 cup of flour, and you need 1 cup of cold water. Ice cold water is better because it doesn't activate gluten of the flour. And you want it to mix it lightly. You don't have to mix it perfectly. So if you see some lumps, it is okay. So let's deep fry the tempura.出来上がる目安ってどんな感じ？
外がパリッとして、中はもうオクラってほぼすぐ火が通るから。
So when you make corn tempura, you want to put the batter directly into the corn, and you mix it, and you just dip into the deep frying oil. So last but not least, we're going to deep fry the shrimp. What is this? The last one, papa papa, is what?
Koromo.
なんていうのそれ？
デラックスデコレーション。
If you want to make a deluxe decoration, like sprinkle some batter around the batter.
チーズってデコレーション。
なるほどね。そう。Okay, now everything is done. While my mom is deep frying the rest of the ingredients, I'm going to make Tentsuyu tempura sauce. So you need 200 milliliters of water and half teaspoon of dashi powder. You can use dashi powder, whatever the dashi broth is okay. Let's pour it into the bowl. 4 tablespoons of mirin. And 4 tablespoons of soy sauce. And mix them together. By the way, you can boil this in a pot or you can put in a microwave for about 3 minutes until it bubbles. Really hot. So now the tentsuyu is done. You can serve tentsuyu in a small bowl. And if you have, you can use tempura paper. It absorbs the oil. So you can see the balance of the vegetables and shrimp and just arrange it as in the way you like. Then if you have, you can put sriracha and also daikon radish, grated daikon radish. こんな感じかしら。And now it's done. If you like, you can add some grated daikon radish and mix into the sauce and dip in tempura to eat. Oishii. すごく美味しい. When you eat shrimp, you can sprinkle some sriracha or lemon juice is okay if sriracha is not available. And you put a little bit of salt and simply enjoy the flavor of the ingredient. おいしい。めっちゃうまいよ。